Hello, welcome to Soft Asia Tech. In this video, you will learn how to install WordPress with SiteGround. So let's get started. Go to siteground.com, log into your account, click on Dashboard, then click on App Installer. Select WordPress, scroll down, select your domain. Here I have only one domain. Select language. You have multiple language options. Installation path. By default it is main folder. You can select subfolder, add username, generate password, enter your email address, scroll down, install with WordPress starter, keep it as it is, click on install. It will take some time. Here you can see that WordPress is installed successfully. Let's check it. Here you can see WordPress starter package. Let's log into dashboard. So here we have logged in to our domain dashboard. Scroll down, start now. You can click on exit to move to dashboard. Here you can see dashboard. We have successfully installed WordPress with SiteGround. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you.